A surprise raid on the Negalur Gram Panchayat accountant V. Pakkhiresh Barki in Haveri district. The raid was carried out near Guttal in Haveri Taluk when he was allegedly accepting a bribe for accountant alterations related to the property of Kariyallappa. According to officials, V. Pakkhiresh Barki had initially demanded 63,000 rupees, of which 30,000 rupees had already been received. Even after taking the money, he reportedly failed to complete the required work. He then demanded another 30,000 rupee, and today, while accepting 8,500 rupee, he was caught red-handed during the Lokayukta's raid at his office. The Lokayukta team, led by MS Kaulapure, took V.A. Pakkhiresh Barki into custody for further investigation.